Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mita Sarkar. Today I want to share the different stages of reading skill development for toddlers and preschoolers using phonics, particularly Jolly Phonics. The method we follow at Daisy Montessori. Jolly Phonics is a structured way of teaching children how to read or how to be independent reader, and it uses multisensorial approach which is very easy for the children to learn. So today I will walk you through 6 different stages of Jolly Phonics, how to make a child to be independent reader. Reading is not all about recognizing the letters. It's about understanding the sound and learning the sound, blending and reading the word, and then finally making sense what we are reading. So altogether there are 6 different stages using Jolly Phonics. I'll walk you through. The first stage is learning letter sound. Instead of memorizing letters in order, Jolly Phonics introduces 42 sounds including individual letters and digraphs like SH, sh and CH, ch. Each sound is taught with an action, story and song to help children remember them easily. For example, when learning the sound S, children make a slithering snake movement. This multisensory approach makes learning fun and effective. Stage 2, Letter formation. Once children recognize sounds, they move to letter formation. Learning to write letters correctly helps children connect reading and writing skills. At Daisy Montessori, we use activities like sandpaper letter tracing, tracing in sand tray, and using Play-Doh to make letters because when learning is hands-on, it sticks. Stage 3, Blending sounds to read words. Now comes the most exciting part, blending. This is where children start putting sounds together to form words. For example, when they see k, a, ta, they learn to blend it as cat. This is the first step towards independent reading. Parents can support this by playing blending games at home, like saying da, a, g, and letting the child guess the word. Stage 4, Identifying sounds in words. Next we focus on segmenting, which is just opposite of blending. Here children learn to break words into individual sounds to spell them. For example, if they hear sun, they will break it into s, a, n. This skill is crucial for early writing and spelling development. Stage 5, Learning tricky words and developing fluency. Finally, children encounter tricky words. Words that don't follow phonics rules like the, said and was. Since this can't be sounded out, we teach them through repetition and memory techniques. As children master blending and tricky words, their reading fluency improves and soon they are reading confidently. Stage 6, Reading comprehension. Understanding what we read. Now the children can read fluently. The final stage is reading comprehension, which is the ability to understand, think and respond to what they read. Here is how we build comprehension skills. Asking open-ended questions like, what do you think will happen next? Encourage children to retell the story in their own words. Connecting the story to real-life experiences. Discussing characters, emotions, and lessons from the story. Good reading isn't just about decoding words, it's about making meaning. This is where the literacy begins. With Jolly Phonics, reading is fun and structured journey. As educators and parents, our role is to support them at every stage and make it more enjoyable and fun. So let's encourage our little ones, read with them daily and make it more fun filled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights in early childhood education and parenting. I'd like to hear from you. What is your favorite Jolly Phonics book to read with your child? Or what is your favorite storybook to read with your child? Let's chat in the comment section.